sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Moto G85, staying within 600 words and structured around features, exterior design, and a short conclusion, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're checking out the 2025 Moto G85, a budget-friendly smartphone that tries to offer a premium feel without draining your wallet. Let's dive into what makes this new Moto release stand out in the crowded mid-range market. Starting with performance, the Moto G85 comes with a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, which gives it a solid performance boost over its predecessor. You're getting reliable day-to-day usage, smooth app switching, and decent gaming performance for casual titles. It may not be the fastest chip on the market, but it gets the job done for most users without any major lags or overheating. The phone packs up to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigs of internal storage, which is honestly impressive at this price. Apps stay in memory longer and you've got more than enough space for videos, photos, and downloads. And yes, there's support for expandable storage through a micro SD card slot, which is still a rare find these days. When it comes to the display, the G85 rocks a 6.6-inch POLED panel with full HD Plus resolution. It also supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, so scrolling and animations feel super smooth. Colors look punchy and contrast levels are rich enough to enjoy Netflix, YouTube, and even some mobile games without feeling like you're missing out on a flagship screen. One of the standout features here is the software. Motorola sticks to a near-stock Android experience, which means no bloatware and a clean user interface. You get all the core Android features plus a few Moto gestures like twist to open the camera or chop to turn on the flashlight. Updates may not be lightning fast, but the simplicity of the software keeps things running smooth and clean. Battery life is another win for the Moto G85. The 5000 mAh battery gives you all-day usage with ease. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or gaming, this phone keeps up without making you panic for a charger. Charging speeds are decent as well, thanks to fast charging support that gets you back in action quickly when needed. Now let's talk about the exterior. The Moto G85 has a sleek, modern look with a plastic back that's been polished to feel more like glass. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, and the curved edges give it a premium feel, even though it's clearly designed for budget-conscious buyers. The back features a dual camera setup, placed neatly in a square module that doesn't stick out too much. Color options this year are more vibrant, including options like mint green, deep blue, and classic black. The phone is also water repellent, which means it can survive light splashes or rain, although it's not fully waterproof. Camera-wise, the G85 comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a secondary ultra-wide lens. Daytime shots come out sharp and well exposed, with good color balance. Night shots are okay for the price, though you'll notice some noise and reduced sharpness. The selfie camera does a solid job too, especially under natural light, and video recording is stable enough for everyday social media use. So what's the final word on the Moto G85? If you're looking for a mid-range phone that gives you great value, clean software, and a good display without cutting too many corners, the Moto G85 deserves a look. It's not trying to compete with flagships, but it nails the basics and throws in a few nice extras. That's all for today on FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more real reviews and honest takes on the latest tech. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version in Hindi or with visuals and voiceover cues.